2, 3, 4, 2, 0. Let's do another one for the open road. It's been crazy getting through last winter, but the ocean has been such good company, and can feel the earth tilting back and forth, back and forth. Here I sleep parked next to the curb. In Portland I cringe at growing up in the suburbs, but I'll wash dishes for a quick cash binge till April comes and it's into the wilderness again. Oh, Father Mountain, show your face, where has the movement gone for our equal race? Oh, Father Mountain, answer me, so be it, Mountain, I follow thee. Your face and been revealed to me in the strangest places. I take it as no astrological sign that the eighth wonder has read my mind and feel the earth tilting back and forth.